Welcome to the shortwave radio channel, and it finally has arrived after just a few days. Quick shipping by UPS from China. The Choyong LC90 smart radio. And here is the unboxing. Comes in a very beautiful box, by the way. It really kind of makes it higher and high class style radio. That's the first observation when you look at the box. A very beautiful and sturdy box too. And we open it, and here we have the radio. Nice little radio that kind of looks like a Texan receiver with the buttons that seem to be quite sturdy too. Metal buttons, as obvious as they're cold. And just going to be fun to fire up and check out. It's pretty heavy for a portable radio. There's a lot of stuff in there, and of course there's a rechargeable battery in it and everything. So this is going to be quite interesting to look at. It's a multi-band smart radio, and you can see here that the different frequency ranges also for medium wave, short wave, and FM, and this is going to be quite interesting to look at. What else is in the box? We have the Choyong little instruction manual, a little small for such a complex radio, but we'll see what happens and how easy it is to use or not. Comes with a little strap so that you can put it around your wrist when you have it portable so it doesn't fall. And we have a USB-C charging cable. So USB-A to USB-C charging cable in there. And that's pretty much it that we have in this box. So cool little thing. We'll be turning that on, charging the battery, turning that on, and testing it. Hope that it's going to be fun. And of course, my famous review will be coming in a few days. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.